How's it going, nerds? Welcome to a Premiere Pro beginner tutorial that is not only going to rock your world, but if you aren't careful, will cause some sort of irreversible brain damage. So, for our first tool, we'll be looking at the selection tool, which is the simple little arrow at the top of the toolbar. Basically, all it does is select anything within your timeline. It's probably the tool you're going to be using the most. It's not rocket science on how to use it. Basically, all you do is either left click one thing or left click and drag to select multiple things. See? Isn't that easy peasy? Alright, so next on our list is the track select forward tool. You can tell you're using it when you see a pair of stacked arrows on your timeline. So basically what this does is it lets you select everything right of your cursor. That includes everything, so there's video and audio. But hold your darn horses, because you can actually, with this tool, pick the track select backward tool, and that lets you pick everything left of your timeline. But also, if you're not really feeling that, you can also hold shift and select everything on one track instead. Like that, for example. So now we made our way to the ripple edit tool, which is a handy little tool designed specifically for absolute winners. Basically what this tool allows you to do is trim or shorten a clip. But while doing that, other clips will ripple towards your edit. So what does that mean? Premiere Pro will automatically close the gap between your clips. This prevents unwanted cutoff clips and basically just saves you a little bit of time. Isn't that just so nice with Premiere Pro? Alright, finally dealing with the third stooge in this family, we got the rate stretch tool. Is a clip way too long or short and you want it at a certain time? Well, no problem for the rate stretch tool. Basically all you have to do is bring it down to your desired length. And finally, it's shaved off a couple seconds, which makes things super helpful. Alright, that brings us to the end of our little tour here for Premiere Pro. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'm gonna go take a nap now. This took quite a bit out of me, guys, I'll be honest.